She did a psych search criminal justice triple major. She was thinking she wanted to do like a forensic psychology type thing or go see a murder scene. This is what they were thinking. She ended up having a professor that was a former attorney, and he's like, got everything. She thought about it, started pursuing it. Next thing you know, she got into Roger. Her issue, she got it at Penn State fingerprint, but her dad came over on a work visa. By the time they had done all the paperwork and all the processes for the U.S. citizen, she had turned over 18. So she fell through this whole weird pocket where they were like, oh, no, your other daughter's only 15, so we can do it with her, we can do it with you, we can do it with your wife, but she's too old. So there was a 2-year gap where she literally had her status, and it was right when she was graduating from college. So then she looked around in schools and showed them, they're like, hey, great, great opportunity here. Hey, fill out this application, and on the application, it's like, okay, and Roger Williams was one of the first things she goes, we'll get scholarships to come, because she was on scholarship for her master's program. She really liked it. She didn't like this. Devon, where are you from originally?
So I grew up in Boston.
Okay. Yes, you're okay.
I'm a New England.
New England guy. There's a wall over by the cliff.
Oh, right by the pier.
Yeah, I guess. I thought she called it the cliff wall.
Well, that's fair.
She took some photos of like the beach, and she's like, the waves are frozen.
Yeah.
This is the ocean. And she goes, I found a whole other level of people I hate. I said, who is that? And she goes, well, first off, I hate Patriots fans because they're just obnoxious. She goes, but secondly, the fact that it takes me 45 minutes to an hour to dig up the water, and then I leave, I go back somebody that's
No, we don't save spots around here.
No, I said, babe, I don't know what to tell you when you leave. When I was driving around and saw one, I'll be the first one to jump in there.
So we're getting ready and set for this game. And I just want to thank you again as we bring this game to you. It's the first of two. There will be the All Manning Cup team versus a Scouts Select All-Stars team for the second game. And if you have just joined us, I am a goal buster, and there goes the opening whistle.
Fortunate and unfortunate.
The All-Star team in his blue outfit.
You could tell it's just a walking trail. But
Yard McDonald
she took a photo of the beach.
as
She's like,
the
these waves are first. I was like, no,
free kick of this game.
It was real, and it's this place up in
Go to May 4th.
It's not
I have not been there, but they lived up there, man. They told me all about it. That's it.
Scholastic team.
He said, look, you got the mountains hanging out on the other side of the lake and campus, and they go, you go into the water, you don't come up on the shore, and you're trespassing in the camp. So how far would that be from where you guys are?
So inside,
Geographically, I get lost up there.
select team get that one as a four.
I've got a little place up in the
That's the pennant.
hour north of Bay, like an hour and a half. And that's
Brian is on the ground. Keep control. Ewart plays that one in the center. And so the all-American team in the white top. And if you've just joined us, you're watching the Caribbean Premier Showcase, Manning Cup edition. And we're here in Huey. Beautiful service. Come again, choose McDonald. McDonald. Wayward shot from McDonald. 1-4-6. That's Jomo Goodison. He was in with support, but Yarid McDonald, 124, decides to go for goal. 3 minutes in, 0-0. All Manning Cup in position. There's pushes the ball forward, but couldn't get it to Bailey, number 18. Irving, who passes that one inside. Irving again. Irving is McDonald. Scouts select 11 in possession. Robbed off the ball. As he juggled on that left hand side, can he get that one across? And he has done so, but he couldn't find his teammate. All right, so here we go, corner kick. Ball inside, there's a header. And over the top, but a good effort. From the number 10 player in Watson, Daniel Watson. McDonald. In fact, that was Irving. Here's McDonald now. Scouts select 11 in their blue outfit. And just let me thank you for making it MG Sports TV in association with Goalbuster Sportsman 0-0. 5.5 minutes in play. 40 minutes per half. Scouts select 11 in possession. Irving. McDonald. Irving. Turns inside, but couldn't. Dacres. Now here's a potential chance for a counter-attack. And was trying to place that one inside. But I think he should have gone for goal on that occasion. That was the number 10, Daniel Watson, was playing unselfish game. The player is down and holding his arm string. And substitution has been indicated, and so All right, so all right, so here we go. Throwing all man in team. So the player has been stretchered off. Back to pin up. Was he clipped? Yes. Free kick. All man in cup team. 0-0. 8 minutes of action play. As number 6, that's Xavier Taylor standing over it. And also number 7, that's Med Winter, Ronaldinho Med Winter. Now, can they get something? It's on an angle and suitable for a left-footed strike. Ronaldinho Med Winter and Taylor, Xavier Taylor over this one. Let's see what they have planned here. It will be Medwinter, and that one is gone over in the trees. So goal kick, Scouts select. So 0-0. And just let me thank you again for making it MG Sports TV in association with Goal Buster Sports Note. And we're watching the Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023. Free kick. Another hard challenge as Irvin will take the responsibility. Scouts select team in possession. He's that one up. Oh, that's a nice ball over the top. As he dribbles inside, giving away possession onto Watson. Watson outside left. Side to Taylor. And Taylor. He's that one off. All the way across to Brian. All the way back to Brian. Now, it's a nice ball inside, but a little bit too far from Taylor. Elijah White. Brian is White. All the way back to his goalkeeper in Tajari Lee. 0-0. All man in team in the white versus Scouts select all stars in the blue. Goodison who eased that one off. Nice overlapping run from Goodison. Goodison and good defending. Watching ball closely was Bailey, Stephen Bailey. Here's a Goodison looking for support. He tried to dribble out of his defensive third. Seems to be Watson. So 0-0, 12 minutes of action played, and you're watching a Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023. And just let me thank you again for choosing this medium, MG Sports TV. There's a Goodison looking for a pass. That's a long ball there. Henry, easy for Henry to ease that one off. control of his pass. Could not find Bailey. There's Michael Pennant. Here's Taylor. Henry. All Manning team in the white with yellow shorts. Long throwing and looking there for number 20 player. So, Owen Strong. Nice moving. Play that one forward for Redwood. And Redwood looking for cross. Still inside the defensive third. He turns on his left boot. Oh, not a bad effort. And just need to stay over the ball some more. Keep it down. A good move though to move inside from the one-on-one player in Carlos Cooper. So just a little shoving going on in the center of the park between Watson and McDonald. Back to his goalkeeper. Will boost that one long. The pass of that sees an interception of Boyd. Last touch of Boyd. Throwing all Manning Cup team. 0-0. 15 minutes of action played. Medwinter. Ronaldinho Medwinter. So no real flair, real excitement as yet. Apart from Carlos Cooper shot short while ago. Goodison giving away possession. Here is Watson. Plays wide onto Strawn. But Strawn, his back was turned. And just could not get control. Here's Strawn who turns. The flag is up. So the flag is up. Offside call. But Strawn, number 20. So Orion Strawn of Excelsior. So Sean Kenyon wearing the 145 shirt. Ball played inside and ease off, but giving away possession from Redwood. As Brian can build from the back. Taylor. Henry. A little bit too awkward there, but good recovery work from Pennant. Here's Henry. Taylor. All Manning team in possession. Brad. Ball over the top. Good ball there. And Bailey, he has Strawn inside and he played it behind Strawn. And the number 20 player, he needs that ball in front of him. And flag is up on. So So the flag is up and not acknowledged from the referee, so the game will play on. Bailey, whichever's played that one inside Strawn, and Strawn couldn't hold his balance to get a flick on. So 0-0 remains the scoreline, 18 minutes played. And you're watching the Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023. And just let me thank the scouts that are here to take their time to be here in Jamaica to look at our talents as Watson didn't get it how he would have wanted it. 0-0. If you've just joined us, the all-Manning team in the white top is McDonald. Turn, dribbles inside and looks clean. And the referee, he's in charge. McDonald, who swung that one across, and nice touch from McLean. Inside onto Redwood. Here's a Redwood. There's that one inside. Good combination, but Redwood touch sees the interception of number 7 Med Winter. So the passing game is off though. They're on a good surface, so there is no excuse for poor passing. Couldn't control, but they come again. Dockery is on his right boot here. Oh, miscommunication there. And McDonald got a knock from Watson. Free kick. Scouts select 11. 0-0. 20 minutes played. 20 to go. All right, so McDonald will take the responsibility on this occasion. Played wide to Goodison. There's a cross, it's over the top. Goal kick. So, have a scouts from all over the world to come and to be witness to Jamaica's young prodigy, young talents, young players that are vying for opportunity to continue their career. And it's a warm pleasure to be here just to see these young players on a display here today. As a McDonald over-jibbered a little bit as he played that one through. But, Kenyan, who couldn't keep possession, strong. Nice ball forward, but intercepted from Med Winter. So 0-0 remains the scoreline. You're watching MG Sports TV live from Huey. Wonderful surface here. AstroTurf. So there is no excuse about surface. Taylor. Ball played inside, giving away possession. Redwood who couldn't get that one under control. As a ball played forward for Bailey. Have one player to beat, and he crosses that one at the back post, but no trouble there for the players in blue. 0-0 remains the scoreline. All manning in the white top versus the blue top of the Scout Select All-Stars team. Manning Cup edition. Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023, Taylor. So the final third, final analysis, not getting it right for both teams. Going forward seems to be a big issue. The transition from defense to attack is a perfect, but when they reach into the attacking third, it seems as if they are clueless. Just one shot from Cooper. Carlos Cooper 101. Here is Taylor looking for support. Found the one in white, played wide on to Pennant, and the ball played inside.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Nice touch there from Dockeries. Giving away possession. Here is Sean. And he needed to be harder with more precision. He had space, he had time. So, number 20 player in strong, or in strong. Dante Dockeries who gave away possession and almost costing his team to go down. 0-0. 25 minutes played. Long ball on the left of Midwinter. Oh, that's a nice touch. And just need to get it across. So there you go again. The final pass. Whenever they are in the attacking third, they're finding it hard to get it right. Dockeries dribbles inside. Irvin played wide. Overlapping run from Cooper. Last touch of Cooper. Throwing all Manning. So they're getting it from the defensive third, but it's just not happening in the attacking third for either team. Brian. And holding the ball a little bit too long. And Henry. Nice control from Hislop. Taylor. Inside. Here's Hislop. Hislop. He has a Bailey to his right. Here's the number 18 player in Bailey, who decides to dribble and showing too much of the ball to Goodison. That's Jomo Goodison. Corner coming up here for the all Manning team. 0-0. 27 minutes of action played. So, subject. substitution. So Jomo Goodison is off, and number 58, that's Alex Sanjo Doshi, is on. And another substitution here as a Dockeries will be taken out. That's Dante Dockeries. And Redman, Ronaldo Redman, is on 127. Corner kick. And swung out. Now here's first a touch. That's a Ronaldo Redman lost possession. And, in and out. Offside call on Bailey. So Doshi to take as he walk away. Goalkeeper substitution. So Rumble is off and Alex James is in. Goalkeeper change. Another substitution here. Here we go. Here's Doshi. Yeah. Scouts 11 in possession. Played wide on to Irvin. Malik Irvin. And back to Irvin. And Irvin waited too long, and it was a close down from Strawn. Hislop. All the way back to Henry. And Med Winter has found his center back in Brian Taylor. So there's a White, Taylor, Pennant, White, who plays that one forward. Hislop was all alone, and nice defensive work from McLean, giving away possession. Break inside. So Watson, as Irvin can get that one out of his defensive third. And cool and calm, but he need to position his body to go forward. As there's Watson turns away from Doshi. And as Islop ease that one off to Med Winter, and all the way back to Henry, and choosing to find his goalkeeper in Lee Taylor, who turns into trouble, and has done well to regain a possession as Henry. So both teams they're getting passes through in the defensive third, going forward. That's the problem here in this game. Taylor, who is down number 6. So Zabir Taylor is down. So Zabir Taylor, I think he will continue. Number 8 player is at the sidelines. He will get in. That's Jabbar Harris. Number 7 player is just one substitution. As the number 8 player is on. That's Jabbar Harris. St. Jago player. And Taylor is off. White to bring it on to Bailey. Oh, and Bailey seems as if he didn't see the number 21, 27 player. There's a good tackle there coming over from number 4, Jaheim Henry. Side to the new man, number 8, Jabbar Harris, giving away possession. Inside. Redmond will play back to Urban. So equal share of possession for both teams, and just giving away possession like that, you just have to keep possession, keep the ball, be good at telling passes on a good surface. There goes. There goes the halftime whistle. So 35 minutes. And a 0-0 is the scoreline. The all-Manning Scholastic team in their white top versus the Scouts Select All-Stars team in their blue top. 0-0 is the scoreline. So we will just take a short break and get back to you for the second half.
How is it? As far as like everybody just kind of compartmentalized. You don't see each other that much unless it's like a staff meeting or something. Or, you guys ever go out and say, hey man, we're going to go out and do the baseball staff?
So, not as much. So we share our office and we share our suite with the baseball staff. The thing is, they've been there for so long. So it's not new, right?
Trying to make good for the new school.
Exactly. The good thing is, like, the baseball head coach, like the entire baseball staff are all alumni. Our head coach is an alumni. The women's soccer head coach is an alumni. So, like, we're all pretty close, right? Like, we're friendly, we talk about things. I think just where people are with their lives. Like, I have this coach has 7 baseball coaches. One of his daughters, there's 6 senior. She's a senior. So everyone's really fun. Like the women's coach comes over all the time. So we're pretty. Everyone's pretty friendly within our building. So we'll say I don't have much interaction at all with the women's lacrosse staff or the softball staff. Women's softball, they're all good.
It's like football and basketball.
Yeah, because they have their own building. So, like, football has their practice building.
There's really no reason for you to
So we'll use their. We have a reserve time. We always reserve indoor field. Sometimes outdoor field if we need it. They fucking love it. They use our soccer field for competition. But their relationships got more cordial. Like they had a brass practice with them every years before we went down to Georgetown and got arrested. Apparently it's the first time they tuned outside football. That's what they used the last 20 years. I'm like, whoa, it's right here. It's right here. So, and it's not like you used to. Exactly. So they seem pretty fun. But everyone's kind of just like,
They got the blinders onto their own sport, and that's what they stay in their lane, right?
yeah.
One thing I really liked about Union, my old school, and once again it's small school, but one building, every coach is in there training. So it was literally when 12 o'clock hit, everybody might be doing their own thing in their offices. 12 o'clock hit, and you knew the trainers were closing up shop because they were there so early doing rehabs, and then they get like an hour and a half right when it was. They would, as soon as you could hear the door close at noon for the training room because it was in the middle of the building. We're going to lunch, let's go. And next thing you know, you walk over to the cafeteria, and there is literally 3 tables filled up with nothing but coaches and staff. Now I get to UNOH, like you said, there's suites, and we got so it's us and softball and women's soccer because our facility's right there together. Baseball has their own. Well, I say it's baseball and tennis have their own facility. And basketball. Volleyball's their own. Believe it or not, more than racers, we're the #1 motorsports technology school. NASCAR is a massive thing. Like the people that work on those vehicles and jump over the walls, probably 80% of those people that do that came from our school. And we have a dirt track racing team. And it is disgusting. Their facilities are disgusting. Disgusting. The front side of the building, the windows are open, and they have like cars that sit in there and get to walk through the cars, go into their locker room in the back. All their facilities are because it's a green, it's a major. You go in some of our classrooms, look like giant garages. Like, they, I was telling somebody the other day. Grave digger,
They're just saying
grave digger and like Bigfoot, those big giant monster trucks. So grave digger is like one of the big history, like famous trucks. They like broken axle or something. It's the closest place they could go that had what it needed to get on lifts and do this and do that. The equipment was our school. And the people that worked on that staff and much of them graduated from our school, they went up there and they're like, hey, we're going to do a master class for the people that are in this class. All the kids got to come in and see them work on it. If there's anything to do in my car at school, I just try to send them over there and I say, all right, who's done after practice? Come up here and do a car for you. My first team guys are all business administration. A lot of our reserve team is all auto sports.
our weird major, puppetry.
You're telling me that, man. Jim Henson, and it's hard to get into.
It's super hard.
I mean, I want to know.
Like they make their own puppets, they do their own puppet shows, like the Muppets. And then actually we do have a marine science.
What's that?
We do actually have a marine science program.
So how did? But you said your degree was what? Marine biology. What were you? I'll be right there. If you don't do football and soccer or rest of your life, what do you want to do with that? How would you use that?
What would I do with that? Or
Yeah.
what did I want to do?
What did you want to do with that?
Alright, so welcome back to
My senior year, so my major is marine biology, my minor is photography.
Did you say your work minor was?
Photography.
Yeah, that's what I thought you said.
And then
second
I had
half.
core concentration, aquarium,
Because I would think,
aquarium
I was
maintenance.
like, would you want to go work at like an aquarium or something like that?
So well, I don't have the experience, but I have the degree.
Certification or degree to do it, right?
So a lot of the kids who I graduated with run the oyster hatcheries and the shellfish hatcheries up and down the coast.
What's up, boss?
There's a lot of aquaculture. That was probably what I specialized in when I was in college. Was aquariums, breeding fish, and then putting together very elaborate setups. So probably would have tried to go.
Alright, so welcome back to the UA Bowl, and this is the Caribbean Premier Showcase. I am Goal Buster, and you're watching MGTV live in association with Goal Buster Sports Note. And it's always a pleasure to bring to you Schoolboys of football. As you're watching the Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023. 0-0 is the scoreline. Second half action. Javar Harris over this free kick. 25 yards away. I'm sure that the number 8 player will want to make amends. And that's a pass, and that's a goal. Beautiful pass, and outreach right boot to make it 1-0 here for the All Manning team. And number 11, Kemar Bihari, who came on at halftime to make the difference here for the All Manning team.
So our school was
So 1-0.
schools in
38-minute strike from number 11, Kemar Bihari. So the players in their white top has taken the lead.
no, we do with aquariums. So we were partnered with the New England Aquarium in northern Boston, and anytime that fish started breeding in their tanks, they would pull them out and send them to us.
Harris, who plays wide.
We would raise the fry and send them back to fish. Do what we wanted with the fry. So my junior year, actually had to build a 20,000-gallon system with the there's like 40-something tanks.
Cleared out of the area from Watson.
It was to the ceiling, the length of from there to here, and I had to do
That's a touch. That's a free kick. So 1-0. 38-minute strike from number 11, Bihari. So Kemar Bihari.
I got really good at that, and I actually a way to have the clownfish eggs hatch in the middle of the night.
So
And way back when it started,
Just a
finally we got a goal.
to the moon. It's like after a certain
As
period of
number
time,
13 who moves, but
but you couldn't pull them out without them dying. That's why they kind of developed a system where there's a tank within a tank that would siphon,
Milton
do a gentle siphon and pull the clownfish
Locane,
out of that tank into the other tank that had the same water.
who is on.
And would recirculate that water back into the tank in the middle of the night. It was all automated. So they used that for about 10 years.
The All Manning team, they come again.
All yours, man. Came through you.
Giving away possession. McDonald.
They're like so you see a lot of ships they're right in the water. So they pull water in from the bay.
So for the first time in this game, though, they got it right in the final third. They tease in a free kick from Javar Harris, number 8. Here's a Josh who plays that one inside. McDonald who dribbles. Now he's open, and that one is wide off target. But number 124, Yared McDonald.
It's off on a side tangent a little bit. My cousin is in a fraternity. They play baseball. Was a friend.
Number 124 player. Looks a competent player inside the center of the park.
And she swings open the bathroom.
Needs support.
In the bathroom. And she about shit her pants. And she goes
Aldino Nugent.
what the hell is going on? Why is there a freaking animal in my house? He goes, Mom, we had it at the dorms in school. Nobody else was going to take it. I was the last person home, so I
Get it away from Henry.
and they ended up having it close.
Irving.
They ended up going to Cincinnati Zoo. And Cincinnati Zoo's like, we'll take it. Come on, man. It's what it is. We get it. We're not going to bust your balls.
Ball played through for Locane. Calmly plays out one back was Ewart. And the player launches in. Let's see the decision from referee Rolando Bennett. First assistant is a Dwayne Brown. Second assistant is a Clive Dixon. Free kick. Scout select 11. 1-0 is the scoreline. A 38-minute strike from number 11 Kemar Bihari.
And they're not bad.
Sure. You just want something fun that you can smile at.
So 35 minutes per half as Irving can take the Scout select 11 forward. Now the whistle comes. Free kick. So Douglas Whiteley, as a player, is down. That seems to be number 65, Richard Ewart. So you're not missing any action. Just let me thank you again for making it to MG Sports TV in association with the Goalbuster Sports Note, as we bring to you live coverage of the Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023. 1-0. All Manning Cup team, they lead. The Scholastic team, that is. All Manning Scholastic team.
To entice kids to come, because there are a lot of kids out there now that it takes 5 years to get a degree, or they can do a master's program with an undergrad and do it in 5 years if they could come in and do it right away.
Here we go. Irving.
From a financial standpoint, how do you think
And Kadon Boyd.
Part of it with us was like, we sat there with
Having a good game. Is a 1-7-1 player in Kadon Boyd. As a swung one across to Doshi. Back to Doshi. Nice control at the forced. I'm inside. Here's Irvin. Back to Irvin. It's better here's a nice touch inside. As he travels as a Whiteley.
6 to 8 games and then have your tournament.
Nice touch.
You know, it can be a more balanced pitch. You don't have to have a bigger bunch of
Watson giving away possession.
spreading those games out. And
McDonald
on Saturdays, you're missing less.
dribbles wide,
You're not traveling as much.
looking for the whistle. And the last touch of McDonald throwing. And the referee, Bennett, is having a word with number 11, the player, goal scorer in the Kemar Bihari. 1-0 remains at the scoreline. 45 minutes of action play. Very hard pass, but Harris who manages a he was too eager to score there. He had time. He could have controlled. He had time to control and look. It was Carlos Cooper, but he was too eager to get that ball in the back of the net. That's a chance gone for the Scouts. Select 11, 1-0.
5 years. I was up to president, and it's a 1-year cycle in each position, and you go through for 6 years. 5 years, so 5, 6 years. So you start off as secretary, then you're VP2, then you're VP1, then you're president, and then you get to be past president. But as COVID happened, I was working my way out of it.
We've got a touch. Oh, there's a nice turn inside from McDonald. Play that one through. Nice touch from Cooper. Was he clipped? Free kick. Scouts select 11 in a very interesting area. And 25 yards out.
We played 13 and a tournament. Now, they said you had to at least, I think, have 9 games on your schedule to be able to compete in the national tournament. But you were allowed to schedule up to 13 matches. We played 13 games. And then we went to the tournament. And then we went to nationals. Well, we were able to sit there and
Let's see what he will do with this opportunity. And the wall has done its job. And a second chance to run it. The all-manning team. There's Irvin. And that was Cooper who got that free kick.
I'm good, my big guy. Thank you.
Yes, Jarvis. Yes. Yes, Jarvis.
Darnell Edwards, number 12 player for the all-manning Scholastic team. Watson. Nice move from Goodison. In fact, that was Kenyon. Sean Kenyon now. Here's a chance. And the goalkeeper has made an important touch. And Milton Locane, number 13 player, he was in, having a good look at goal, but goalkeeper Alex James diving to his right to make an important save. 1-0 remains at the scoreline. Ball played forward. Speedy player who dribbles. Play that one across. Almost an own goal. A corner kick coming up here. Last touch of Irvin. Malik Irvin. Corner kick. All right, so here we go, corner kick. As a player stayed down in the 6 yards area. That's number 13. That's Locane. Here we go. Corner kick. Can they make it 2 from this set piece? High ball. And a chance again for the Valley. And wide off target from Aldino Nugent. Right fullback player. So 1-0 remains the scoreline. All Manning Scholastic team in possession. Here's McDonald. Play that one through. And the goalkeeper is off his line. And Redwood was in pursuit. 1-8-3 player. Nugent. Played forward. Wall. Nice move there from Nathaniel Wall, who plays that one across. The goal scorer ease that one off, and a shot and a save. And the shot coming in there from Harris. And the goalkeeper Alex James was equal to the task to keep the number 8 player out. 1-0 remains the scoreline. Low, still inside the danger area, still inside the penalty area. Now the whistle comes. Free kick. Scout select 11. 51 minutes of action played. And you're watching the Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023, and we're live from Huey. And let me thank you for making it MG Sports TV. Association with the goalbuster. That's a nice ball inside, and the goalkeeper just needs some more pace though from the number 1 or 34 player in Douglas Whiteley. The ball played inside, the flag stayed down. Here's a chance to make it 2. Oh, and Milton Locane cannot beat goalkeeper Alex James, and that's the second time Locane faced James, and James came away victorious. Good goalkeeping from the Scout Select custodian. 1-0. Nice corner at the back post, and the goalkeeper had a touch, but he's still inside the danger area, and now he regained possession as number 17. That's O'Neill Brand was close. Here's McDonald, who dribbles, drives through the middle. Unfortunate for the number 1-2-4 player. Played wide, who cuts back. That's Deron Campbell, number 19, and it's a turnover as the players in their bloom as McDonald stayed down. So substitution. So McDonald will not continue. Yared McDonald. So 1-0 remains at the scoreline. And Caden Boyd. And Unfortunate here, play that one inside, and good recovery work from Edwards. Oh, that's a nice ball across, and he decides to dribble inside. He was jacked down, but referee is not interested. That's a Nathaniel Wall. So 55 minutes of action played. 15 minutes to go. Brian. There's the Scholastic team, they come again. Nugent decides to burst through the middle as a Doshi intercepts. Oh, that's a nice ball. And the goalkeeper had to came off his line to avert that danger. 1-0 remains the scoreline. Carlos Cooper. All right, so throw in. Scouts select 11. And Locane, who couldn't regain possession. And good interception there from Boyd. Watson. Brand. The Scholastic team who's in the lead. There's Watson, who turns and plays that one wide. Wall. He cuts back on his left boot. Watson. And trying to go through two players. And fortunate for the number 10 player as he played that one wide. Edwards. Pennant.
I do like it.
Wall. Giving away possession. The ball played forward here for the number 1 in Redwood. Redwood, one player to beat. Redwood with a shot. And a weak shot. No trouble in goal for Jadavin Wall. So 1-0 remains at the scoreline. 58 minutes played. Campbell. Edwards. Here's Wall. Edwards. Nice move. See the space and move. Here's Wall and a touch there on Edwards. Free kick. All manning Scholastic team. So Zavon Miller will get in action. And number 18 is Bailey. Stephen Bailey has been withdrawn. 1-0. Watson. Nice move. Ease that one back to Brian. Brian are giving away possession. Oh, a little bit too big there. Need to put a scale on his right boot. So 1-0 remains the scoreline as the players in their white top, they lead here. If you've just joined us, all Manning Scholastic team in the white top versus the Scout Select All-Stars in the blue top. You're watching the Caribbean Premier Showcase, Manning Cup edition. And not bad from the number 10 player in Watson. Daniel Watson. And giving away possession. Oh, nice turn inside on his right boot. Can he go for glory? And goalkeeper is in the right place. And the number 16, that's Zavon Miller. Good turn inside. And giving himself a opportunity to shoot. Not a mistake here. Nice move there from Harris. And good recovery work. There's Whiteley who plays on to his goalkeeper. Doshi. Last touch of Doshi. And throwing Scholastic team. 1-0. Flicked inside onto Edwards. All the way back to Brad. Goal scorer Kemar Bihari. Not getting much touches, but here's a touch. Here's a difference here. Number 11 Bihari. Good defending there from Nugent. Ball played across. Nice touch inside. Oh, and his intention was clear, but the pass was too direct. 1-0 remains the scoreline. 63 minutes of action played. 7 minutes to go. So the goal scorer has been withdrawn in Kemar Bihari, and Alex Hislop is back in action. Ball wide to Nugent. The Scouts select 11, they're down, and this is good football going forward. There's a move. Kenyon. So they were they were going forward on the right side, and they switch direction, and number 12 is getting out. That's Darnell Edwards, and number 7 is back in action. That's Ronaldinho Winter. 1 remains the scoreline. Doshi. And, free kick call, but it's just not working out here for the players in their blue outfit. Scout select 4 minutes of normal time to play. Kenya. Oh, that's a nice ball to throw, and he should make a good opportunity of this one. And it's Douglas Whiteley. Need to have more confidence though. You have a good look at goal. Why not? Go for glory. Instead, thinking on selfishly and spoil that attack. Here's a Watson. He has 2 players to find. Oh, that's a beautiful ball inside, and this should be 2. And yes, it is. Beautiful finish from the number 14 player in Alex Hislop. A sublime pass from number 10, Daniel Watson, to make it 2-0 here for the all-Manning Scholastic team. 2-0. So just let me thank you again for making it MG Sports TV in association with Goal Buster Sports Note, as the Scholastic team with a 2-0 cushion, Midwinter. And all the way back to his goalkeeper. And so a 68-minute strike from number 14, Alex Hislop, the Kingston College center forward, and a beautiful pass from the Tivoli Garden high school player in Daniel Watson. Good collaboration on that goal. And the Scholastic team surely will walk away with this game. 2-0. Brad. And the ball over the top. Control on his chest. Watson. He's that one off. Played wide on to Midwinter. Dribbles inside. There's a Midwinter. On to Watson. Having a good game on the right side for Wall. Overlapping Nugent. And a Nugent played that one across for 3-0. And there's a second for Alex Hislop. And easy 3 yards of finish, but beautiful football from the Scholastic team to make it a 3-0 here. And Hislop with his second in the 70th minute mark. 3-0. Giving away possession. Nice dribble inside from Harris. Played wide onto Wong. Decides to dribble inside. Watson, nice control. Nice move. Oh, that's a beautiful ball. And beautiful recovery work from Doshi. And a free kick call on the number 58 player. 3-0 is the scoreline. We're on the 70th minute mark. So we're into additional time. As the number 58 player, and there goes the full-time whistle. So 3-0 is the final score, and Alex Hislop, number 14, with 2 goals in the 68th minute and 70th minute mark respectively, and number 11 Kemar Bihari in the 38th minute of play to complete the 3-0 thrashing of the Scouts Select 11. So that's the final score for the first game. We're waiting for the second game as the All Manning Cup team will play a Select 11 All-Star team. Don't you go anywhere. We have one more game for you. I'm Goldbuster, and you're watching Caribbean Premier Showcase 2023 live on MG Sport TV.
What's up?
Scotland sent me this. He goes, looks like crap. I'd rather be here. I won't ever say never.
Coaches. Yeah. So for the all money, Adrian Reed, number 2. Add him to your list. Okay. Adrian Reed, number 2. Okay?
Got it.
All right. Adrian Reed, number 2.
Just add him to it.
No, we don't have the
Yeah. Professional, right here.
You think I joke? You think I joke?
Manning, the orange team. Paul Manning.
And then we're supposed to add someone to this.
Who said that? Yeah, the coach.
MG, you ready?
Yeah, he just needs number 2.
So maybe that's what we'll do.
Maybe he's at the number 2. Call him up.
Did you hear the story? So stop it. Stop it.
Alright, coaches, officers, go ahead.